Most of the buildings have been cracked. The walls, they're all cracked. And they're unsafe, unstable. There's no law and order. Nobody to compensate anybody. This is a very big loss of life and financial loss as well. Most of these people who are poor, they got it worst more than everybody because their house is completely collapsed. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਾ ਵੇ ਸੀ the big ਬੜੀਆਂ ਕੋਠੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਸੀ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਹੋ ਹੀ ਸਕਣਾ ਪੱਟੀ ਤੇ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੀ ਪੈਣ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਮਕਾਨ ਜੇ ਤਾਂ ਪੈਚ ਅਪ ਕੀਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਖਤਰਾ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਸਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਕੀ ਪੈਚ ਅਪ ਕਰੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ambulance. These tall buildings, they are cracked in their walls. Plus the walls of the boundary have just collapsed. And they are dangerous as well. There have been a couple of tremors already. I don't know what's going to happen. Whether there's some more or what. Hopefully we've gone past the worst. The building right up front, the tall one, the top floor is completely, the walls are completely gone. And you have to be demolished at the top anyway. I don't know what they're going to do. The walls are the Tabastan walls. See the top of the wall building, it's gone. So are these. This is the damage as well. See, the walls have collapsed around these buildings. I'm sure they will rebuild everything. What cost? Everything is sky high here. It's very, very expensive to build a house. This country now. Most of the people whose houses have been destroyed are poor people. I don't think the government does anything here, whether there is any places that compensate these people. All that they have is these NGOs, charities that help them. And it's not much anyway. The government doesn't do anything. Most of the money that comes through charities, they want a cut as well. And most of it is siphoned off. This is Mr. Aladita and his family. He's supposed to be sick. It doesn't look sick to me. He's got a swelling in his mouth.